Welcome to Spoken English course. Excuse me, are you from the UK?
No, I'm not. I'm actually from the United States.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do, though I'm still improving.
What's your name?
My name is Emily.
And your last name?
It's Johnson.
Where are you originally from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1990 in Chicago.
What work do you do?
I'm a doctor.
And your profession?
I also work as an English teacher.
Do you work remotely?
No, I work at a hospital.
Where do you live now?
I live in Boston.
Where do you live? What's your address?
It's 45 Maple Avenue.
How long have you been living here?
I've been here for about 6 months.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you single?
No, I'm in a relationship.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I do.
How many kids do you have?
I have one daughter.
How old is she?
She's 10 years old.
What's her name?
Her name is Sophia.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
Anything else you enjoy?
No, that's about it.
Anything else you need?
No, that's everything.
Do you know Lisa?
Yes, she lives next door to me.
How long have you known her?
I've known her for about 5 years.
And Sarah? Who is she?
I'm not sure.
She's Mark's sister.
Oh, right. Now I remember.
Do you know Tom?
No, who is he?
He's Sarah's husband.
Really? I had no idea.
Is he from the US?
Yes, he is.
How many languages can you speak?
Just one, English.
Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry.
Do you want to eat now?
Yes, let's go eat.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to pollen.
Does it bother you a lot?
Yes, especially during springtime.
How was your trip?
It was amazing. We had a great time.
Where did you go?
We went up to the mountains.
When is your birthday?
It's on January 5th.
What do you usually do to celebrate?
I normally have a nice dinner with my family.
What's today's date?
Today is June 2nd.
Do you have anything planned for today?
Yes, I'm going to a concert this evening.
Are you thirsty?
Just a bit.
Want something to drink?
A cup of tea would be perfect.
Do you like Indian food?
I love Indian food.
Do you make it at home?
Yes, I cook it sometimes.
Where's the nearest restaurant?
There's one right over there.
Where's the nearest restaurant?
There's one just over there.
Can you tell me exactly where it is?
Sure, it's on the corner right beside the bookstore.
Do you have a lot of money with you?
Not much, to be honest.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's really comfortable.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Are you sick?
A little. I've got a mild cold.
Do you feel unwell?
No, I feel okay.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
When are you leaving?
I'm heading out on Monday.
Where are you going?
I'm traveling to New York for a work trip.
What time will you leave?
I'm leaving at 7 p.m.
Where are your friends?
They went to the park.
What are they doing there?
They're having a picnic.
Do you know what this object?
No, I have no idea.
Where did you find that?
I found it in the garage.
Do you think it'll rain today?
No, I don't think it will.
Did you check the weather report?
Yes, it says it's going to be sunny.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a jacket.
Who is that over there?
That's John.
How is he doing?
He's doing great.
What's his job?
He's a doctor.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared of anything.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm available.
Can you help me for a minute?
Of course. What do you need?
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm all set.
What shoe size do you wear?
I wear size 14.
Would you like to come with us?
Yes, I'd love to.
Does this taste good to you?
No, it doesn't taste good.
When can you return the money?
I can give it back next week.
Where are you headed?
I'm going to the store.
What are you planning to buy?
I'm picking up some groceries.
Is this item yours?
No, it's Sarah's.
Do you know where she went?
Yes, she's in the break room.
Can you play tennis?
No, I usually play basketball.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a lovely day.
Want to go for a walk?
Sure, that would be great.
When will you return?
I'll be back on Tuesday.
Around what time will you get here?
I should reach around 3 p.m.
Would you like to watch a movie tonight?
Yes, that sounds good.
Did Michael enjoy the movie?
Yes, he liked it, but Anna didn't.
Does she own a car?
No, she doesn't have one.
Are we lost?
It looks like we are.
Do you know how to operate this thing?
No, I have no idea how it works.
Is your friend from China?
Yes, he is.
Does he live in this area?
Yes, he moved here last year.
How long have you two known each other?
Since we were kids.
How long have you known each other?
Since we were kids.
What time is it right now?
It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Which sport do you enjoy?
I really like swimming.
Have you ever traveled to Tokyo?
No, I haven't been there.
Would you like to visit someday?
Yes, I'd love to go one day.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I'm a huge fan of pop music.
Which part of the United States are you from?
I'm from California.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to speak with Emily.
Can I leave her a message?
No, I'd prefer to wait until she's available.
Where are you planning to go for your vacation?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about going to Italy.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it's freezing. Make sure to wear a jacket.
Shall we go out?
No, I'd rather stay inside.
Do you have any other plans?
Yes, I need to finish some work first.
Did you get any cherries?
No, the store was out of them.
Should we try another store?
Yes, let's check the market nearby.
When did Alex leave?
About 10 minutes ago.
Will he be back soon?
He should return in about an hour.
Does she know Alex?
No, she hasn't met him before.
What's your favorite food?
I really like rice.
Why are you studying English?
I study English for traveling purposes.
Do you travel often?
Yes, a few times each year.
Do you know where my phone is?
It's on the table.
Where can I buy a bottle of water?
At the corner store nearby.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Do you think James will get the job?
I believe so.
Did his interview go well?
Yes, he said it went really well.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to head home.
How much does this cost?
It's $5.
How much money do you have?
I only have $100.
Is that enough for lunch?
Yes, it should be sufficient.
How much is a trip to Los Angeles?
It costs $250.
When are you planning to go?
I'm thinking about next month.
Can I pay you back tomorrow?
Sure, that's fine.
Who is this?
This is my cousin John.
Where is he from?
He's from Chicago.